In this video, you will learn how to view your brand details, modify brand details with a brand amendment, and renew a brand. Click the Getting Started link at the top of the menu to initiate a new activity. Now, click Select under Brand Registration. The brand registration homepage will now open. From here, you may view your brand's dashboard where you can see any actions required, or on the Applications tab, the status of any brand applications you have previously filed. Under the Select an Action section, you may create a new brand registration. For information on this, please see the Requesting a New Brand video. You may also search and view your brands, create an amendment application to change brand information, or renew your brands. To view your brands, click the Search My Brands button. On the following page, you may search by a number of criteria for a brand belonging to a registrant associated with your profile. You may also select the Advanced Search button, which will open a section with more search criteria. When search results appear, click on the brand number to navigate to that brand's specific information page. Here you will see various brand details, the current label, and the wholesalers who may distribute the brand. You may also start various amendment applications from this screen for this specific brand by clicking one of these buttons. In this video, however, we will demonstrate an alternate way to create an amendment for multiple brands at once by using the Manage Brands button on the brand registration homepage. Click the Home button at the top of the Details page to go back to the brand registration homepage. To make changes to your brands, click the Manage Brands button. This opens the brand registration amendment application, and it starts in a new status. First, select the type of change you want to request by selecting a choice from the drop-down list under Amendment Type. The Label Revisions Amendment Type allows you to upload new graphic files for your brand labels. The Other Amendment Type allows you to describe a change for one or more brands in text. The example we'll use in this video is the Modify Wholesalers Amendment Type. This allows you to add or remove a wholesaler on one or more of your brands. After selecting Amendment Type, click the magnifying glass icon in the Search Registrants box to search for the legal entities connected to your profile. On the pop-up, select a legal entity that holds brands and click the Select button. Now you may click the disk icon to save your application, the trash can to delete it, or the Next button to continue to the next step. On the Details page, click the magnifying glass icon to search for the brands associated with the legal entity. Note, you may need to move to another page of the pop-up, or modify the number of rows per page to see all brands. Select the brands you will modify by clicking the checkbox next to the registration number, and then click Select. When all brands are selected, you may click Next to continue, Previous to go back, or select the step you want to navigate to from the steps at the top of the screen. On the Distributors page, you will be shown the wholesaler licenses that are assigned to your brands. To remove wholesalers, select the checkboxes next to the license numbers. An icon of a trash can will appear to the upper right in the table. Click it to remove selected wholesalers from your brand. To add wholesalers, enter a license number and click the magnifying glass icon to search. Select the checkbox next to any wholesalers you wish to add to the list, then click Select. When the wholesaler list is correct, click Next. The Documents page will allow documents to be uploaded as part of the brand registration application. If a document is required, a checkmark will appear next to the document type in the table. Upload documents by clicking the plus icon, or dragging and dropping files from your operating system into this area here. If you add a document, you will need to select the document type from the drop-down list. Once all documents have been uploaded, click Next. The final step of the brand amendment application allows a review, and then submittal. The system will provide an application number and related details. The brand or brands to be included will be listed. After a review, click the Submit button. To renew a brand, navigate to the brand registration homepage, and from there, click the Renew Brands button. This opens the brand registration renewal application, and it starts in a new status. In the Search Registrants box, click the magnifying glass icon to search for the legal entities selected with your profile. On the pop-up, select a legal entity that holds brands and click the Select button. The brands held by this registrant will now be displayed in the Brands table. In this case, you will want to select brands that you do not wish to renew. Select the checkbox next to the registration numbers for brands which you are not renewing, and once finished, click the Do Not Renew button. A new table will appear underneath the Brands table, listing all the brands that will not be renewed. If you wish to remove a brand from this list, select the checkbox next to the registration number and click the icon of the trash can. Once everything is correct, click the Next button. The final step of the brand renewal application allows a review and then submittal. The system will provide an application number and related details. It will display a table of the brands to renew and then a table with the brands that will not be renewed. When correct, click the Submit button.